This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of egusi soup. This hearty Nigerian dish is a true culinary delight, and I'm here to guide you through every step. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, including about 1 cup of egusi seeds, your choice of meats like beef or fish, and fresh vegetables such as spinach. Don't forget the palm oil, onions, and seasoning cubes to build that rich, authentic flavor. Let's get cooking. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the egusi seeds. Take about 1 cup of these wonderful seeds and grind them into a fine powder. Once powdered, mix them with a small amount of water to create a thick, smooth paste. This crucial step ensures that your egusi won't clump together when it hits the hot pot, giving your soup a beautiful, consistent texture. Set this paste aside. It's ready for its grand entrance later. Next, we're building the flavorful foundation of our egusi soup. Begin by heating approximately 1 cup of vibrant red palm oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them gently until they become soft and translucent, releasing their sweet aroma. Now, incorporate your pre-cooked meats and fish, stirring everything together. Finally, season generously with pepper, 2 to 3 seasoning cubes, and salt to your liking, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. We're almost there. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully add the egusi paste in small, distinct lumps to your simmering soup base. Stir gently and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes, letting the egusi expand and absorb the rich flavors. Next, fold in your fresh vegetables, such as 2 cups of chopped spinach or bitter leaf. Let the soup simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes, just until the vegetables are tender crisp. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade egusi soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.